nobody's asked you this today. Are you okay? Are you really fine? I mean, you know it's okay to feel a little lost sometimes. It's alright that you don't want to smile.
Sa buhay ng isang estudyante, hindi maiwasan ng stress. From schoolworks, expectations, hanggang personal struggles. Pero paano nga ba natin ito haharapin? This is our story on managing stress and taking care of ourselves.
Every day, students face different challenges. Deadlines, exams, pressure from family, and even self-doubt. Minsan parang ang dami na nating inisip at hindi na natin alam kung paano ito sisimulan.
Boy, listen kami, boy!
When stress is not managed, it can affect our mental health. Pwede tayong mawalan ng focus, gana sa pag-aaral, at kahit sa mga bagay na dati nating ginagawa, nawawalan tayo ng interest. It can also lead to anxiety and emotional exhaustion.
But stress is not the end of the story. May mga paraan para matulungan natin ang sarili natin. By practicing self-care, setting goals, and taking breaks, we can slowly regain control of our lives. Importante na matutunan nating mahalagaan ang sarili natin.
One effective strategy is time management. Using a planner or schedule helps us organize tasks and avoid cramming. Kapag may plano ka, mas nagiging clear ang goals mo at mababawasan ang stress.
Another important strategy is self-care. Maglaan ng oras para sa sarili, magpahinga, mag-exercise, or gawin ang mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo. Also, don't be afraid to talk to your friends or family. Hindi ka nag-iisa.
Always remember, your mental health matters. Hindi masamang magpahinga at unahin ang sarili. Take small steps every day toward a better version of yourself. Because at the end of the day, taking care of yourself is the key to achieving your goals. Together, let's build a positive sense of self.
Boy.